The Abbey gatehouse at Polesworth is really two buildings. The one dates from the early 1300s and is the part that's over the driveway entrance. The other building, which is at the side of it, is much later, though probably there was a medieval building there as well. The building that's over the driveway entrance has got a ground floor, which is the porter's lodge, a first floor, which is probably the porter's accommodation, and a magnificent suite of rooms on the top floor. This suite of rooms was designed by the nuns in the early 1300s in order to attract wealthy visitors to Polesworth.
My name's Bryn Gethin. I work for Warwickshire Museum Field Archaeology Services. I'm a field archaeologist, which basically means I generally go out and carry out small, medium and sometimes large excavations. As a part of the project for the renovating the Abbey gatehouse, they have to lower the floor levels, and so as it's a Schedule H monument and the building is medieval and partly Tudor at least, we have to archaeologically lower the floor levels to the required depth, and we have to record all of the any archaeological layers and different earlier floor surfaces that we find as we go down.
Polesworth Abbey is really grateful to lots of professionals who have given a great deal of time to this project. Mike Potter is the architect who's been responsible for the conservation. We've also involved buildings archaeologists, Bob Meeson and his wife Jean.
You get an opportunity when you're working in my area to get your hands on a real cracker of a building. And Polesworth Abbey gatehouse is a cracker. During the 17th century, the steps were made into a straight flight, but the evidence survives in the stonework on the side of the stairs, but I'm not going to tell you what it is, you can find it for yourselves.
This is a new start for Polesworth Abbey Gatehouse. There is the opportunity now for lots and lots of people to experience the gatehouse and to experience the welcome that is here and always has been.